What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we are going to go over this VU microphone. And this microphone is basically a plug and play. This is a USB condenser mic. This is simply for if you're just getting started, if you want to get into vlogging, blogging, gaming, whatever, podcasting, then this is a good start off right here, or at least we will see if this is a good start off. That's what this review is for. Now, as y'all know on my channel, I review home products, lawn, garden, home, garage, and sometimes I might throw in some microphones and also toy drones here and there, just to show people what they can give their kids, you know, or whatever I buy my kids. So right now, my kids, but my youngest, he want to go ahead and start his gaming channel, and I think this will be a good starting point right here, and we are going to go ahead and get into it. So let's go ahead and check it out. Time to do the unboxing. Now, of course, you know they always gotta promote clear sound on there, so you gotta promote the good stuff, you guys. You know that. If you had a company, you would do the same thing. Now we are going to unbox it, and the first thing that comes to your face is the instructions. This is plug and play, and this one is the red. All right, you guys, so we are going to take it out, and here we go. Now, one thing I'm gonna say is it has a little bit of weight to it, but it's still light, not too heavy. It has its name brand right there. It has a pop filter right there for your S's and all your sounds. So that is nice that it has a built-in pop filter. All right, it has the mic button, well, not mic, it has the mute button right here. So right there, you can mute, quick mute, and mini tripod, which is awesome. Bada boom, bada bing. All right, right here we have the USB, and then you have the USB type C. Now the interesting thing about this is it has a splitter on there. So I believe you can hook this up to your phone. We will check that out. And then you can hook this up, of course, to your computer. And I'm pretty sure, you know, USB type C, you can also hook this up, especially if you have a MacBook are USB type C, and you know, blah 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 stuff. And then the other end is USB type C. Now the way this works, on the bottom here you have your plus and minus. This is basically your gain. All right, this is just me going off of knowledge of microphones, you guys. Obviously y'all see me with my Blue Yeti over there, and I also have another mic over there. You know, I'm a studio guy, so right there you got your volume up and down. You have your headset, you put your headset right in here, and then you have your USB port right there, and that's about it. That's the standard, you guys. All right, so we're gonna hook our USB up. Oh, so that's pretty cool. Nice little rubber shock mount. So if you want to take this off, so if you just want to take this off and talk to it like this, maybe you want to do some creative video where you're just talking. If you want to put it back, this is rubber, you guys. Fits right on back in like so, down, and it's in. You can't do no harm to it, you guys. And that's about it. If you want to take your pop filter off, you can do that too. And that's it if you want to take the pop filter off. All right, you guys, so I should be recording right now. So right now you should be hearing me on the microphone on my MacBook. We have here the VG mic, so we are going to test this out now. Once again, just have two different connectors to it. You have the USB type C right there, and then you have the USB. Now this should be plug and play, but obviously you have to plug it in, and then you have to go to your settings and put in the proper microphone and blah 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 blah. Let me go ahead, plug it in. Once I plug it in, I'll let y'all know if anything happens. So when you plug it in, you get this blue dot right there. Now I don't know if that's an indication of it being on or not. I have to push it down some more so I can see the mute button. Okay, there we go. So now I can see the mute button. I had to push it down. Remember when I was playing with it, I took it off of the rubber. Now I pushed it past the rubber. Now I can see the mute button. So let me go ahead to my settings. Hopefully y'all can still hear me. All right, so let me go to sounds, sound preference, mic check, mic check. All right, there we go. I see vague VM30 audio device, USB. Let me go ahead and mic check. Right now I should be in the USB mic. Let me check on my soundboard. Okay, so the mic on my soundboard is still going. Let me go away. Mic check, mic check, mic check. So it still might be going to my my laptop mic. So let me go back to OBS real quick and preference, audio. All right, and take it off of that. Let me put it on my vague mic. All right, so now my vague mic check. No, I don't think that worked. I should have hit apply. Let me go to preferences again. Audio. Okay, vague mic. All right, so it should be on the vague mic. Yeah, I can see that. Hello, this mic is on the budget price. So if you need a mic, go ahead, help yourself. Budget mic, link in the description. First things first, I want to mute just in case I want to say some things that I don't want people to hear, right? So we hit the mute button. Now I unmuted myself, and yeah, now you can hear me. So when you hit the mute, it turns red. So I'm gonna hit the mute now. Now it's on. Okay. Now this is me talking to the front of the mic, and right here is me talking to the back of the mic. So I am talking to the back of the mic now. And you can let me know if you hear any difference. If, let's say, you're doing like a little face interview, you want somebody on that side of the mic and then somebody else on this side of the mic, you could kind of tell the difference on that. Now, with the Blue Yeti, they have a little setting on there, which is cool, where you can do that type of interview style to have, you know, the mic be on with both people. And I can see my gain is very high when it comes to that, so I could put the gain down low. So that's if you have the OBS system. OBS system is good if you're into gaming or if you're into blogging and stuff like that. But that's blah 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 blah. Let me see if I could hook this. If I could hook this up to my the phone, that would be nice too. And once again, you can take this off. Let's say you want to do like little quick reviews. You can hold the mic like this if you want to and say, oh man, you know, blase blase blah. Oh, where's front? Okay, you make sure you're on the front of the mic. So you might want to be, you know, doing some blogs like this maybe, and you say, hey, you know, I say something good, blah 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 blah. And then you could talk like this on the mic. I just turned my gain up a little bit. So hopefully it wasn't too loud for y'all. If so, you could turn the volume down on your computer, and I apologize for that. Is there anything else that y'all need to know besides that? That should be it. I'm gonna put this back. Put it back. And slide all the way down. You guys, this is pretty cool. All right, so that's about it. Obviously, you know, you can adjust it right here. Oh, well, of course you gotta hold that down. Make your little adjustment. Then you can do your little adjustment however you want to do it. And that's about it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But yeah, this is pretty cool, especially if you're just starting, or if you can't afford even $100 mic. If you can't afford a $50 mic, you guys, this is a good budget mic for you, okay? So like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next review.